Hello, welcome. My name is Stefan Meyer. I am with the North Shore AgroEcology Center up here in Finland, Minnesota. This is a project of the Organic Consumers Association, and here we work with various types of regenerative agricultural techniques to improve soil, to grow food, and to create a healthy living ecology and ecosystem. So we are beginning a home fertility series all about how you can make fertility for your landscape from the resources at hand. Many of these ideas and thoughts and even recipes are actually coming from a great new book that we discovered called The Regenerative Grower's Guide to Garden Amendments by Nigel Palmer. Throughout this series, we are going to be talking about comfrey extracts and fermentations. We're going to be talking about different types of mulches and mulching systems and how to add and why you would mulch and when you would mulch. As well, on top of that, we're going to look at some soil test kits. We are going to look at bokashi, or otherwise known as Indigenous Microorganisms. There's a IMO number 1 through 4, and possibly even a few other things. We'll see how much time we have and how inspired we are. So we invite you to come along. You can follow us on Facebook, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, or you can just check us out online. So welcome, and we hope to see you down the road.